When it comes to maintaining a comfortable and energy-efficient home, one of the most impactful improvements you can make is upgrading your windows. In Sanford, Florida, local window installation services offer a unique opportunity to enhance your home's energy efficiency while boosting its aesthetic appeal. Whether you're dealing with drafty old windows, rising utility bills, or simply want to improve your home's overall comfort, investing in new windows can yield significant long-term benefits. Here's how local window installation can help boost your home's energy efficiency. Reducing heat gain and loss. The most direct way windows affect your home's energy efficiency is by regulating the amount of heat that enters or escapes through them. Sanford's hot and humid climate means air conditioning is often running, making it essential to keep your home cool without wasting energy. Poorly insulated or outdated windows may let hot air seep in during the summer or let cool air escape in the winter, putting a strain on your HVAC system. Local window installation companies can help you choose energy-efficient window options that are designed to minimize these issues. High-performance windows, such as double or triple pane glass, provide better insulation and reduce heat transfer. Additionally, some windows come with low emissivity coatings that reflect heat back into the room during the cooler months and block excessive solar heat in the summer, making them ideal for Sanford's climate. Enhanced insulation with modern materials. Traditional single-pane windows, often found in older homes in Sanford, offer little insulation, which can lead to higher energy bills. When you opt for local window installation services, you'll have access to modern materials such as fiberglass, vinyl, and low-E glass, all of which are designed to provide better insulation and help maintain a comfortable indoor temperature. These materials are not only more energy efficient but also durable, reducing the need for frequent repairs or replacements. Vinyl windows, for instance, are a popular choice due to their natural insulation properties. Vinyl frames also help reduce air leakage, ensuring that your home remains airtight. Fiberglass windows, another highly efficient option, are also a great choice for homeowners who want long-lasting durability without sacrificing energy savings. Lowering your utility bills. One of the most compelling reasons to invest in new windows is the potential to significantly reduce your energy costs. By improving your home's insulation and minimizing heat loss or gain, energy-efficient windows can help your HVAC system work more efficiently, ultimately lowering your monthly utility bills. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, energy-efficient windows can cut your energy bills by up to 25%, especially if you're replacing older, inefficient windows. By working with a local window installation service in Sanford, you'll also gain the benefit of expert advice on which windows are best suited to your home's specific needs. These professionals can help you choose the right windows that match both your budget and your energy efficiency goals, ensuring that you get the best return on your investment. Improved home comfort. Energy-efficient windows not only save you money, they also enhance the overall comfort of your home. If you've ever experienced hot spots near windows or felt drafts coming through cracks or seals, you know how uncomfortable it can be. New windows can solve these problems by providing better insulation, helping to maintain a more consistent indoor temperature year-round. In Sanford, where temperatures can swing from hot to cooler seasons, having windows that can help regulate your home's interior climate will make your living space more comfortable. Whether you're enjoying the summer heat or trying to stay warm during a cooler winter evening, new windows make it easier to maintain a pleasant indoor environment. Environmental benefits. For homeowners concerned about their environmental footprint, energy-efficient windows provide a practical solution. By reducing the need for heating and cooling, you're not only saving money but also reducing your overall energy consumption. This contributes to a smaller carbon footprint, helping to preserve the environment while making your home more sustainable. Moreover, many window installation companies in Sanford offer environmentally friendly options, such as windows made from recycled materials or those with ENERGY STAR ratings. Choosing these options not only benefits your home but also helps support local businesses committed to sustainability. Increased property value. Upgrading your windows can also increase the resale value of your home. Buyers are increasingly looking for energy-efficient homes that can help lower their own utility costs. By investing in quality window installation, you're not only improving your current living conditions but also making your home more appealing to future buyers. Conclusion. Whether you're looking to improve your home's energy efficiency, reduce utility bills, or increase comfort, local window installation in Sanford offers a wide range of benefits. With modern materials and advanced energy-efficient technology, new windows can transform your home into a more comfortable, eco-friendly, and cost-effective living space. Investing in local expertise ensures you get the best window solutions tailored to Sanford's unique climate, and over time, the benefits will be clear in both your comfort and your savings.